As you may or may not know, my channel just hit 1,000 subscribers, which is a little bit of an achievement in the realm of YouTube. So, to celebrate the passing of this milestone, I thought I'd do a giveaway to say thanks to you, my subscribers, who made this possible. Now let's get down to business. I will be giving away 3 different prizes to 10 different subscribers. The first prize, prize number 1, will have 8 different winners. The second prize, or prize number 2, will have 1 winner. And prize number 3, if you can do basic math, will also have 1 winner. To enter my giveaway, all you need to do is leave a comment on this video letting me know which one of my videos inspired you to become a subscriber. But if you want to enter the bonus round, in your comment, take a guess at what you think my 3 prizes are going to be. All my prizes are directly related to the content of my videos. If you guess correctly, I'll give you a shout out in the next video. Now I will be announcing the winner 1 week after this video is posted, which means you have 1 week to get entered in this giveaway. So let's get started.